Hello and welcome to my portfolio. My name is Ram and I am a full-time freelancer and video editor from India. I am a self-learned video editor with more than 5 years of editing experience. I edit videos for YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and other social media platforms on freelancing websites. Apart from social media videos, I also edit advertisement videos, webinars, online meeting calls, travel videos and music videos. I have worked with multiple social media entrepreneurs, sellers, musicians and YouTubers. I use Premiere Pro to edit the videos and also After Effects to add attractive animations. I make my videos engaging by using copyright-free roll clips, background music, creating intros, outros and also free thumbnails for my client. I love video editing and I am happy to share that Upwork has labeled me as top-rated freelancer with 100% job success. This faceless video with an AI voiceover is also an example of my work, and if you would like me to edit your video, feel free to hit the invite button or send me a message so that we can discuss about your requirements. Thank you so much for checking out this video. I will look forward to hear from you.